Have you ever wondered how your favorite lipstick is made? Today we're diving into a world of color and chemistry where beauty meets industry. Lipstick, that little tube of magic that adds a pop of color to your day, holds a significant place in the beauty industry. Its widespread use across the globe is a testament to its popularity. So, what's the secret behind it? How does it go from raw ingredients to the final product? Well, buckle up. You're about to discover the fascinating process behind your favorite beauty product. The creation of a lipstick starts with its ingredients. At the heart of every lipstick, three primary ingredients reign supreme: oils, waxes, and pigments. Oils, such as castor oil, lanolin, or mineral oil, impart a smooth and moist texture to the lipstick, making it glide effortlessly on your lips. Next up, we have waxes. Beeswax, carnauba wax, and candelilla wax are the usual suspects here. These waxy wonders give structure and shape to the lipstick, ensuring it doesn't melt away on a hot, sunny day. And of course, we can't forget about pigments. These are the color maestros, the ones that paint your pout, with hues ranging from soft nudes to bold reds. They can be natural, like beetroot powder, or synthetic, like Red Num 40, but that's not all. Some lipsticks also contain emollients for extra moisture and preservatives to extend their shelf life. Now that we know what goes into a lipstick, let's dive into the making process. The lipstick manufacturing process is a blend of art and science. It's a fascinating journey that transforms a few simple ingredients into the sleek tubes of color that adorn your lips. Let's start at the beginning. The process kicks off with ingredient mixing. The main ingredients, including waxes, oils, and pigments, are carefully measured and combined. The waxes provide structure, the oils give the lipstick its smooth texture, and the pigments supply the color. This mixture is stirred under controlled conditions to ensure a smooth and uniform consistency. Next comes the heating phase. The mixture is gently heated until it melts into a liquid state. The precise temperature is crucial here. Too hot, and the ingredients could degrade; too cool, and they may not blend properly. It's a bit like cooking a gourmet meal. You need to get the heat just right to achieve the perfect result. Once the mixture is thoroughly blended and heated, it's time to cool it down. The liquid is poured into molds that are shaped like the final lipstick product. These molds are then chilled to allow the mixture to solidify. This step requires a delicate balance. Cool too quickly, and you might end up with cracks or imperfections. Cool too slowly, and the lipstick may not set properly. After the lipstick has solidified, it's carefully removed from the molds. But it's not ready for your lips just yet. Each lipstick is inspected to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Any tubes with imperfections are set aside and remelted, ensuring that no product goes to waste. Finally, the lipstick is ready for packaging. It's placed into its tube and capped, ready to be shipped off to stores. The packaging isn't just for show. It also protects the lipstick and makes it easy for you to apply the perfect swipe of color. And voila! That's how your beloved lipstick is made. It's a process that combines careful science with a dash of creativity, delivering the beautiful hues that bring your look to life. Quite fascinating, isn't it? The journey of lipstick, from a medley of ingredients to the sleek tube we all know, is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a complex dance of chemistry and precision, creating beauty in every shade imaginable. This process, intricate and detailed, brings color to our lives in the most delightful way. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay curious, folks! Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. Did you know that the ancient Sumerians were the first to invent and wear lipstick? They crushed gemstones and used them to decorate their faces, particularly their lips. Fast forward to today, and we've swapped gemstones for a mix of waxes, oils, and pigments. But the allure of colored lips remains just as strong. Lipstick has evolved from a symbol of social status to a tool of self-expression, transcending cultures, eras, and fashion trends. It's more than just a beauty product. It's a testament to human creativity and our unending quest for aesthetic appeal. So the next time you swipe on your favorite shade of lipstick, remember the rich history and complex process behind that simple act. You're not just applying a cosmetic, you're participating in a tradition that's thousands of years old. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed learning about how lipstick is made. Until next time, stay curious.